Welcome to Day 8 of Zen31 Gratitude Meditation. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep cleansing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension in your body and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. As you settle into a relaxed state, bring your awareness to your heart center. This is the place where gratitude resides. Imagine a warm and radiant light at the center of your chest, growing with each breath, filling you with energy of gratitude. Now, let's take a few moments to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the air enter your nostrils, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any stress or worry. With each breath, imagine that you are creating space in your heart for gratitude to expand. As you continue to breathe, bring to mind something or someone for which you are truly grateful. It could be a person, a moment, an experience, or even something as simple as the gift of life itself. Allow this feeling of gratitude to wash over you. Feel the warmth and joy it brings to your heart. Take a moment to reflect on the specific reasons you are grateful for this person or thing. What positive impact has it had on your life? How has it enriched your existence? As you ponder these questions, continue to breathe deeply and connect with the sensations of gratitude. Now, let's express your gratitude. In your mind or silently say, "Thank you." Say it with sincerity and feeling, directing your gratitude towards that person or thing. Feel the gratitude flowing from your heart and radiating outwards. Next, bring to mind another aspect of your life that you are grateful for. It could be a different person, a different experience, or something entirely new. Once again, take a moment to reflect on why you are grateful for this aspect of your life. Express your gratitude by saying thank you once again in your mind or silently, just as before. Feel the love and appreciation welling up in your heart as you do so. Continue this practice, gradually moving through different aspects of your life that you are grateful for. Take your time to savor the feelings of gratitude for each one. Whether it's your health, your loved ones, your achievements, or the beauty of nature, acknowledge and express your gratitude for the richness they bring to your life. As you do this, remember that gratitude is a transformative and healing force. It has the power to shift your perspective, reduce stress, and promote a sense of well-being. Allow this feeling to permeate every cell of your being. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few moments to breathe deeply, inhaling positive energy and exhaling any remaining tension or negativity. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying with you the warmth of gratitude in your heart. Remember that gratitude is a practice, and you can return to it whenever you wish to rekindle this sense of appreciation and joy in your life. Thank you for joining in on this meditation on gratitude. May your heart be filled with gratitude, and may it continue to grow and enrich your life in countless ways. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9.